Class, this is going to be a short video on the Blackboard shell for college algebra this semester and a little bit of the structure of the class. So let me share my screen. And you will see, this is just the Blackboard homepage. When you scroll down, you should have a college algebra Tuesday, Thursday, 925 class. When you click on it, I've got a few tabs over here on the left. The click here first, actually, you won't see. We probably won't have that for this class. If we do, it'll just be the introduction video or announcements that I make. The first things first, let's go over kind of the structure of the class, or the modality, I guess, of the class. So this class is being taught as a hybrid, I gotta write this, look at it, hybrid online. So what that means is that you can choose to come to the classroom on Tuesday, Thursday at 9:25, which is in D102, or you can zoom in to the classroom, and the Zoom information is over there in the tabs, or you can watch the videos after at kind of at your leisure. I wouldn't put it like that. I would definitely set aside time to watch the videos. Now, if you set aside time to watch videos, you need to understand that the test due dates are not changing. So if you aren't going to come to class and you have to watch it, every, say you set aside Tuesday and Thursday nights, or Wednesday nights or Friday nights, whatever, but realize the test dates are not going to change. So if you watch the video later, that doesn't mean that the tests are going to be due later. Okay. So also, the first day of class is going to be just Zoom. Okay. If you can't make it, you can watch the video later, but we are not going to have a seated the first day. I need to get a hold of really a number on how many people want to come to class, because we can only have 8 students in that classroom. So if we have more than 8, we have to figure out a way of doing it, taking turns, something of that nature. But the first day, I need you to understand, is going to be on Zoom. Just follow the Zoom link in the Zoom information tab at 9:25 on Tuesday. Okay, so let's run through this real fast. So syllabi, pretty straightforward. I assume you guys can read. Email, if you're going to email me, please include the class in the subject line. So for you guys, it would be, college algebra Tuesday, Thursday, or TR college algebra. That's fine. Just so I know how to answer it. Sometimes you guys ask really good questions, but it depends on what class you're in on the type of answer I need to give you. Office hours are given. The textbook you need to get ordered as soon as possible. I give you the ISBN right there. It's pretty cheap online. I'm not sure what it is at the bookstore, but we will be doing all homework out of that book. And I assign homework at the end of every lecture. You do not turn in the homework. Okay, it is just for you to get done. It's not for a grade, but the tests are based off that homework. Let me run through here. You got to come to class. Guys, I can tell if you've watched the videos because I do this kind of tracking thing in the lecture videos. I don't track you. I track if you clicked on the video to watch it. So that's how I do attendance for the class, to show that you attended the class, and when you quit attending, actually, as well, if you decide to drop it. Late assignment. Look, guys, there's just 20 points off the test. So you can turn in the test late. That's fine. Boom, 20 points off. Your lowest test will be replaced by your final exam. I'm not going to replace the final, but your final exam does replace your lowest test grade. A lot of times in this class, students bomb one test. It's just part of the nature of this class for some reason, so that kind of helps that out. Grades are very straightforward. You've got 5 regular tests in the final, all worth 100 points apiece. Read that. I'll tell you, the first day of class, I'm going to go more into detail of this, but I wanted to just do a short little intro now. So, and then we have the schedule. Look, this is not set in stone, but like the first day, we're going to do an introduction. It might take us a little longer, and we won't fully hit section 1.5. We'll finish that up on Thursday. 1.7, I can tell you, is a very short section. So the tests are given, though. Look, week 3, Tuesday is the test. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make that where you can take that test at any point on that Tuesday. So I'll just open it up till midnight. Okay, so the test will be due that day at midnight. So those of you that have to work and don't get home till 5 o'clock, know that it's due until midnight to get it done. You'll have the same amount of time you have in a regular class to get it done, 75 minutes, very straightforward. Okay, and we'll go more over that once we get closer to the test date, but it'll just be due that day at midnight. And again, if you're watching the videos, a day or two later, you need to keep on top of the due dates. And notice I've built in, this is a 15-week class. The last 2 days I've written as finals. Now your final is actually that Friday. I fully intend that there's going to be something in this schedule that takes us longer to cover, and we'll probably wind up going into that week, and that's fine. It's kind of my buffer zone where if just something takes us longer to go over, I can go into those 2 days. Or if something crazy happens, I'll go into those 2 days. Tests are going to be right here. There's nothing in there right now because there's no test. But when you go to take a test, it'll be in that folder. And you can email me here. I can't think of anything else. I look forward to teaching this semester. I'm excited about it. Again, on day one, we'll go over more of the introduction to the class and more of the structure as well. So I'll see you guys then. Looking forward to a good semester. I'll see you next week.